singing her #1 hit. Please welcome Cher.
You know I just try and try, but I can't move my face or cry, and I can't chew food. My jaw is permanently glued. This song's so bad, yeah, who'd have thought it? And you're so dumb that you bought it. And after all, I need new clothes. This'll pay for my 17th nose. Do you believe that I'm still alive? I can hear something inside you say, will Cher ever go away? Do you believe that I'm 85? My face is smooth